Hello, and welcome back to Thomas Talks. And today I'm going to be showing you guys a kind of fragrance alternative to the Louis Vuitton. It's called Penhaligons, and I'll throw some overlays up where we're talking about it. This one was actually recommended by a friend, so this particular scent I just went with because there's quite a few on their website, and I just wanted to show you guys kind of what my recent purchase was. So without further ado, let's crack on with this kind of unboxing and unveiling. So here we have the box it comes in. As you can see, it's quite tall in comparison to the Louis Vuitton ones. I've brought out for some comparison. We've got quite a funky looking bit of artwork on the front here, very masculine with the kind of dark colours. We kind of got like a beefed up cow or bull that's been to the gym. We've got like a dapper looking gent with his wee bow tie there. And we've got some Statue of Liberty and some American themes going on in this image. It's actually an English company, but the back of it was quite interesting. It says American abroad in London, to be precise, who spends freely, lives fast and talks loud. But in his company is captivating and his conversation is delight. Nevertheless, Countess Dorothy is unamused. The big grin, the large chin, those beautiful eyes and those lavish gifts, well, the ones for her may not be. Maybe not, sorry. But yeah, you can see some more artwork there. New York, we've got some tobacco down below. Kind of looks like a hunting hat there, some boar or something in the background. But yeah, quite a interesting packaging. So Penhaligons is actually a British perfume house. It was founded in the late 1860s by William Henry Penhaligon, a Cornish barber of all people, who had moved to London and became a court barber and perfumer for Queen Victoria. And the company was founded in 1870. To say the least, I do have it up on the website as well, so we'll get into that in a second. But I have to unbox this one. And we are here. So here's the packaging. Lift this guy up. Oh, and we've got that kind of bull figurine head on the top. This particular one is called the Blazing Mr. Sam, and according to the website here, it's got hot and cold spices over dry creamy cedar and eau de parfum, and no one can quite resist Sam's charms, yeehaw. So it is quite a unique looking bottle, and if you're somebody who's into the fragrances and having them on the shelf, this bottle will stand out just because it's got this kind of figurine head on top. Just going to get one of these out by comparison, in case you're new to the channel not seen, but this is a rival, I would say, in some regards. Maybe not this particular one, I did bring Eau Hazard down, but we do have Imagination. There's the bottle there. We do have, as you see, the Louis Vuitton logo on top. Quite a simplistic look in comparison to the kind of over-the-top nature of Penhaligons. But yeah, they're quite cool. So just Imagination happens to be blue and this one happens to be blue, but the bottles themselves, 75ml and 100ml. This is where it gets interesting. So the 75ml here is £210. I've just got it on the website here for 75ml, and if you've seen my recent Louis Vuitton price increase video, you'll know that these fragrances are now £215, whereas previously they were £200. So they're about £5 in between it, but interestingly you get 100ml with Louis Vuitton and you get 75ml with the Blazing Sam. So just going to take this head off. It is quite weighty. I thought it was going to be like a plastic, but it is quite a bit of weight in that. And I'm just going to give myself a wee spritz all over the hand because it's hard to do on the camera. There we go. Oh, it is quite nice, light and refreshing. I'm not going to be a fragrance expert here, but It's quite nice, and I would almost say it is gentlemanly. It does remind me a little bit of Victor Ross Spice Bomb. That's probably the closest thing I would say it reminds me of with regards to scent. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this bottle and packaging, different brand for you to look at. I said the website's pretty cool. I said I've never been on it before. Fragrances, gents. You can see all the different ones that they offer. Maybe something you want to do for a gift. Wee stag head's quite cool. Dog. I said I've not actually smelled of these before, so maybe the little scent library might be a way forward. Just to get a sample of all of them almost, just to smell them. But yeah, I recommend having a wee nosy in the website. Let's just quickly have a look at fragrances for ladies. So immediately we've got little bows, some rope, and there's a cat, a wee wolf, and we've got a goat. But yeah, again, quite novel looking bottles. And they're all around that £210 price mark there, price point. So hopefully you guys all enjoyed this quick video on the Blazing Sam fragrance. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you check out my other videos on the channel, there's quite a few. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at The Lot Scott. I'll leave that information below. And stay safe, and I'll see you next video. Ciao.